Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to extract text from a photo you've taken. So if you've taken a picture of a document and you want to extract some text from it, then let me show you how to do this. So first, using your camera, go ahead and take a picture of a document. Next, go ahead and view that picture. Now, once you're here, go ahead and tap on this T icon here, and this will detect any text in that picture. Here is detected Samsung, model number, quick start, and some text down here. You can go ahead and copy the required ones. So just go ahead and tap on that, copy that. Tapping on it will let you copy it, and so on. Now, for those of you who cannot see this T icon, you can just go ahead and tap on it and go ahead and long press on the text you want to copy. And this will basically select it for you. Go ahead and press copy, and you can copy it to anywhere you like, to a message or to your notes. So there you go, guys. That is how to extract text from an image on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.